what's up YouTube? It's your boy Mario. I'm out here with my doggies. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I'm just getting the day started. I already ate my breakfast. I have several things to do, so I'm gonna go to the store, buy my chicken and all that stuff, and then comb my hair and just do like errands, basically preparing for the week. But yeah, so I eat around 4 eggs a day. Well, actually it is 4 eggs a day. And in my house I have chickens. Yo, what's up guys? So something you guys don't know about me is that I really like cars, like especially German cars, and I'm a car enthusiast. So I clean my car every weekend just because I enjoy it. I hand wash it. So right now I'm about to suck up all the nasty stuff in my car. But yeah, so I have all these wipes and I'm gonna clean my car with it. So this one's for leather, this one's for like interior type stuff. This one's for like the windows. But yeah.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town.
Oh. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm about to start cooking chicken. Enjoy this! I told you guys I wasn't kidding that I was a cook. I got my own knives, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Mario. So I just finished cooking all this chicken. And yeah, I think that's it. Today was a very long day. I didn't even buy the protein, so I have to do that tomorrow. But yeah, other than that, please like, comment down below, and please subscribe. Other than that, have a wonderful day, guys. See you in the next one.